Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check sent messages on iPhone. And here's how it is done. On your iPhone's home screen, locate the Messages app, which has a green icon with a speech bubble. Tap on it to open. In the Messages app, you will see a list of your recent conversations. If you have recently sent a message, it will typically appear near the top. Scroll through your list of conversations to locate the person or group that you are looking for. All conversations are sorted by the latest activity, so the most recent ones appear at the top. Tap on the conversation thread where you want to view sent messages. In the conversation, your sent messages are typically aligned to the right side of the screen. Blue if it is an iMessage, green if it is a standard SMS. If you want to see the exact time each message was sent, swipe left on the conversation screen. You'll see timestamps appear to the right of each message, showing when the message was sent. If you're trying to find a specific message you sent, use the search feature at the top of the messages screen. Tap on the search bar, type in keywords related to the message, and relevant results will appear from across all conversations, highlighting messages that contain those terms. That is everything you need to know about how to check sent messages on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.